Hey, I'm Andrew Ballard, Executive Chef of Unilever Food Solutions ANZ. The burger is an absolute classic for diners and a must-have on the menu. So in this chef's guide, we'll show you the building blocks of a bangin burger. Let's go. For a typical patty, use around 150 grams of meat. Toss it from hand to hand to form a ball, then pat it into a flat disc. Create a small divot in the middle so that it cooks evenly and store it in the fridge overnight. Now, preheat the grill to a medium-high and apply neutral flavoured oil such as canola. Season the patties with salt and pepper just before putting them on the grill. Add your patties once it all begins to smoke and grill them for 3 to 4 minutes each side or until cooked to your liking. Now it's time to be patient. Avoid pressing the patties down whilst they're cooking. Only flip them once so they lift from the grill without sticking. Resist the urge to continually turn your patties. We're nearly there, just 2 more jobs for the grill. Add high melt American cheese to one side of the cooked patty and allow it to melt. Then lightly toast your burger buns on both sides. For a classic old school burger, coat your bun with a generous lick of your venue's special sauce. Then add a layer of crisp lettuce, a couple of pickled cucumber rounds, and some slices of tomato. For an extra hit of flavour, dollop on some more sauce. Add the patty, finish it by topping off your burger with the other half of the burger bun. Nothing beats a classic burger, it just takes you back to the good old days. So that's how to rock your burger like a pro. Feel free to make a signature burger by adding your own touch. We have loads of on-trend burger recipes at ufs.com. Make sure to check it out.